to the group presentation of the Bookshop management system made by Group VALO Data Structure and Algorithm subject section 10. So here are our group members. We have Abdullah, Shebani, Low, Amr Faisal, and Anusia, Gunalan. Okay, introduction. So let's talk about assignment 1 and assignment 2 and the summary and objectives of those assignments. So in assignment 1, we had to create a bookshop management system that allowed us to perform operations such as adding new records, showing all records, checking for certain records, updating a record, and deleting a record about the books that we have in the system. So this system lets users store all those the records of the books in data files. So we use file manipulations. Main menus are also available for the users as well as the staff to perform those operations. Then in assignment 2, the requirements were almost the same as assignment 1. However, this assignment we were asked to implement the same tasks, but using linked lists instead of the arrays. Then we have our mini project, which was a continuation of assignment 1 and assignment 2. In this project, we had to implement the stack and queue into our code, and we had to choose. We had to either choose using arrays or linked lists, but however, in the project we used the linked list to do so. Here we have our use case diagram, which we will be explaining here in this table.
So there are 10 use cases in this system. Where the first one is the main menu, it allows the user to choose if they are the customer or the staff members. So for the customer menu, it provides customer with a few choices where he or she can perform certain operations in the system. Staff menu provides staff with few options to choose from where they can perform a certain number of operations in the system. For the insert book, this allows the staff to enter new books into the system to display to the customer. For the search book, this allows customer and the staff to search for a particular book in this book if the book is available in the system. For delete book, this allows the staff to delete books from the system. Display book will show a list of books available in the system to the customer and also the staff. Update book allows a staff member to update the book in the system. Sort book, this will sort the book from the lowest price to the highest price. And for sort book descending, this will sort the books from the highest price to the lowest price. So this is the main menu of the book management system. This will show the users where they want to buy, or they are staff, or they have nothing to do and they want to exit the program. For this one, it will show a search record, show all the record of the books, sort the books by price, sort the book by price in ascending, and sort the book by price in descending, and then also exit the program. That's all from me. Thank you.
Alright, now for the staff menu, which will display the menu for the other category of users, which is the staff. In total, there are about 8 different processes that the staff can choose to do, and should they choose to enter one, they can insert a new book record. If they enter 2, they can choose to search for an existing book record, and then for number 3, they can choose to update an existing record, and if they enter 4, they can delete a record, and if they enter 5 or 6, they can sort the books by price in terms of ascending order or descending order respectively. And then if they enter 7, it will display all the available records, and should the staff not want to do anything anymore or is done with everything that he's doing, he can simply press 8 to exit the program. Now, as I mentioned, if they enter 1, they are choosing to insert a new record, and they will be prompted to insert the book ID, followed by the book name, the author's name, the amount of books that are currently available in the bookshop system, and lastly, the price for that specific book. And that will be all for the insert book function.
Search, this is the search book. User need to key in the book ID and it will show the book information. If we want to delete book, we need to press book ID, then it will show the book details, and then we need to key in the delete button.
In this function, the display book function, we have two books that are saved in the system. So those are the only two books that are two book records that are saved in the system. When we choose to display the books, these will be displayed. Those two books will be displayed. As you can see, we have book number 1 with book ID 154, a book name of Stranger, an author name of Michelle, and a number of books 40. The price is 4.8. And then we have book number 2, which has book ID of 123, a book name of Wilkins, author name of Moon, and the number of books available is 50. As well as the price is 14.5 for this book. Then you have the update book function. So what this function does is that it updates the book name, the author name, and the number of books available, as well as the book price for the records or for the books that are in the system. So this will be prompted to the user, and the user would have to enter a new book name, a new author name, and a new number of books, the updated number of books in the system, and the book price, the new book price. Okay. Then we have the sorting books by price. This the ascending one, not the descending one. So this function will receive the books that are saved in the system. In this case, we only have 2, and then it will sort those books based on their based on the price from lowest to highest, so in the descending order. So as you can see, the first book has a price of 8.8, and the second book has a price of 9.72. However, when we look at the sorting books by descending order, as you can see here, once this option is chosen, the books are going to be displayed in descending order, so from highest to lowest. So in our case here, it would be book with ID and number 123. This is going to be listed first because it costs more and the price is higher than book number 2 that only costs 8.8. Okay, that was the end of our presentation. Thank you very much.